Diwali is a festival of love, joy, wealth, prosperity, happiness, our knowledge, and lots of light. It is a festival of light. We always get lots of love and attract well in this Diwali because of certain things. Diwali is said to be very auspicious only when we maintain the rituals that should be done at home individually. So I am going to discuss regarding the things that you need to do to attract the prosperity, happiness, wealth in your life and in your home all through the year from now onwards to 2022 October. Happy Diwali to all my viewers. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Om Bhagavan Shri Satyasavaya Namah, Om Suryaya Namah, Om Shanishaya Namah. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. Today I am making a special video on Diwali. Many of my viewers has requested me to make a video where we can know what are the simple steps that should be done at home to attract the wealth in abundance. It is very much true in our Hindu culture, in the Hindu mythology, we have all observed and seen the significance of the festival of light. Now, to bring happiness, to bring comfort, to bring all the joy and smile to your home, you have to maintain certain things in your life. Then only you will be able to attract the wealth in your life and prosperity. Just obey a very simple steps that I am going to tell. It is not required that you need to be Hindu for doing this. Anyone can do that. There can be some religious conflict, sorry for that, but definitely each and every people on this earth can do that. So definitely you will definitely get a very good, prosperous and happy life when you follow these simple steps. Now, on the day of Diwali, that is on Thursday morning, after taking a bath, November 4th, after taking a shower in the morning, you have to write the swastik in the middle of your home and all the corners of the home as shown in the picture. Also, using the turmeric and rice, try to write Om sign at the entrance of your door, and also the love and Kush, the son of Lord Ganesha. You have to write the Shubh and Love. Shubh Love, I have shown in the screen that what is Shubh and Love. Try to write that in the entrance of your door, and also place a lotus if possible in the entrance with a water pot. That will bring the wealth, because the goddess of wealth, Ma Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi, we worship on the day of Diwali, and that is the reason it is a festival of life and wealth, because we can attract lots of wealth in this Diwali, in every Diwali, by following these simple rituals that I am going to say. This is the first step that I have told regarding the swastik and the Om at the entrance of the door. Then very important is to do the puja of Lord Ganesha, Goddess Saraswati and Goddess Lakshmi, because Goddess Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth, Ma Saraswati is the goddess of education, knowledge, and Lord Ganesha is the Lord of success, which removes obstacles from our life, gives success, show us the way to move forward. So definitely by praying, by doing the rituals for the Lord Ganesha, Lord Kuber, Lord Lakshmi, Lord Saraswati, we can bring lots of wealth. Now, without the puja of Lord Vishnu and Lord Kuber, the puja will be incomplete. So you have to do the puja of Lord Vishnu along with the Lord Kuber, because whatever the treasure, the entire money is controlled by Lord Kuber, because you know the khajana, like we know the treasure, the Lord of the treasure is Lord Kuber, because there is some big story for that. What is the story behind the Lord Kuber and Lord Vishnu and Ma Lakshmi? we can discuss later on some other day. But you have to do all these pujas for the Lord Ganesha, Lord Goddess Mahalakshmi, Goddess Ma Saraswati, Lord Vishnu and Lord Kuber. Don't forget. Try to do all the mantras that you know to attract and bring prosperity, to bring positivity. Like in the beginning I have told that you need to make the swastik in the middle of your home and all corners of your home with a red color is okay. Then that will bring the positivity, that will remove the negativity, and also sprinkle the Ganga Jal if possible. Now this is the some of the steps that you need to follow. After that, you know there are 5 elements on this universe. One is air, whatever the air we get. So try to stick some good fragrance. There should be good fragrance all over the home. Okay, one thing. Next thing is the fire. Try to light the diyas. As you can see, I have lighted the diyas. So you can see this is the diya, this is the diya. So this is the diya. So try to light a diya because it will remove all the negative energies from home, will bring wealth, attract wealth to your life, prosperity. Wealth is not important. Prosperity is important. When you get prosperity, wealth automatically comes. Knowledge, wisdom, fame, because the power is inside us. Okay, we can and we have to enlighten the power. So try to do all the things dedicatedly so that you can impress all these goddesses, especially Goddess Mahalakshmi. So try to pray to Lord Kuber, Lord Vishnu, Lord Ganesha, Mahalakshmi, Mara Saraswati in this festival of light, the Diwali 2021, to attract all your wealth in your life. Also, you have to, the earth element, okay, you have to pray for that. When you will do the puja, try to bring sweets, fruits, all these things. That will also be beneficial. Also, try to always make some sound on this day, like Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Try to play the sound all through the day without any stoppage, so that the vibration of that will stay in the home. So this is all about the Diwali festival and how you can bring the wealth, prosperity in your life. You can definitely follow these simple steps, and the last step you can just follow. Try to clean the room from all the corners. Try to keep it clean. The more the clean the room is, the house is, the home is, the wealth, Mahalakshmi, Goddess Lakshmi will come and stay with you. So this is the simple steps. Hopefully this will be beneficial to all of my viewers, and thank you for asking me to make this useful video to everyone. Sorry for making this quite late. Once again, before I end this video, I would request you to subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. And once again, happy and prosperous Diwali to all my viewers. Thank you.